Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Math Ease, where math become easy by Aisha Azhar. Today we are discussing a very important topic of mathematics, that is Introduction to Quadratic Equation. In today's class we will discuss the definition of quadratic equation, some important concept related to linear and pure quadratic equation, and we will know by how many methods we can solve a quadratic equation, and we will find out that what is the use of quadratic equation in our daily life. Simply we can define a quadratic equation as a second degree polynomial equation, but this is not the exact definition. ये इसका just एक लफ्ज़ी मतलब है. The exact definition of quadratic equation is the equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c belongs to the set of real number and a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. This form of quadratic equation is also known as standard form of quadratic equation. अगर आपको पेपर में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में quadratic equation की डेफिनेशन आती है और आप जस्ट सेकेंड डिग्री पॉलिनॉमियल इक्वेशन लिख देते हैं या लिख देते हैं कि ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज़ इक्वल टू 0 इज़ अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, तो आपकी डेफिनेशन इनकम्प्लीट है. इसके अंदर जो कंडीशन इम्पोज की गई है वेयर ए इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू 0, दिस इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कंडीशन जिसका मेंशन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इसी कंडीशन से रिलेटेड मैथ के दो इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट हैं जो कि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से रिलेट करते हैं. The first concept is that if a is equal to 0 in a quadratic equation, the quadratic equation reduces into a linear equation. Linear equation एक ऐसी इक्वेशन होती है जिसकी डिग्री आपके पास 1 होती है, यानी हाईएस्ट पावर. यहाँ मैं ये बताते ही चलूँ, बहुत से बच्चों को डिग्री के बारे में नहीं पता होता. डिग्री ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल इज़ द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इन द पॉलिनोमियल. अब क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में अगर a की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी तो ए एक्स स्क्वायर whole term will become 0, and we will get the equation bx plus c is equal to 0, which is a linear equation whose degree is 1. Similarly, if b is equal to 0, then bx, the whole term will become equal to 0, and the quadratic equation will reduce into ax square plus c is equal to 0. ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसके अंदर जस्ट सेकेंड डिग्री वाली टर्म हो और कांस्टेंट टर्म हो, उसको हम प्योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कहते हैं. याद रहे, ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज़ इक्वल टू 0 इज़ द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. बिफोर सॉल्विंग एनी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वी विल फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इट्स स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. नाउ हियर आर द 3 मेथड्स टू सॉल्व द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. The number 1 is factorization. In this method, we will make factors of the given quadratic equation and then solve each factor separately to find the value of x, or you can say that root of the quadratic equation. Number 2 is completing square method. In this method, we complete the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square to find the value of x. For this purpose, we first of all find the value of b. A and 2bx is given, with the help of which we find the value of b, and then we add and subtract b square on in the quadratic equation to find the value of x. The third method is using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. In this formula, we put the value of a, b and c and evaluate the formula for the to find the value of x. We will discuss these 3 methods separately. In next videos, you will find the detail of each method. After that, you will be able to solve any type of quadratic equation with the help of all these 3 methods. Now in the end, we will discuss some use of the quadratic equation in our daily life. In physics, quadratic equation is used to solve different problems related to projectile motion and projectile trajectories. In engineering, optimized design parameters are studied with the help of quadratic equation. In finance, profit loss statements and break-even points are studied with the help of quadratic equation. golden ratio, which is an important concept of mathematics. It is also found as a positive solution of the quadratic equation x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. The equation of circle and the other conic sections, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola, are quadratic equation in two variables. Last but not the least, given the cosines and sines of an angle, finding the cosine and or sines of the angle that is half as large involving solving a quadratic equation. Hopefully these basic concepts regarding quadratic equation are clear to you. If you have any question, you can openly discuss the question in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Stay tuned. Till then, Allah Hafiz.